Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and carrier readiness. Check Device Manager for an ESIM-capable modem, and make sure your Windows or Mac OS build supports ESIM provisioning. Once confirmed, request the ESIM activation QR or SMDP Plus address from your carrier, and note the ICSID or activation code. Make sure you are signed in as an admin and on a stable Wi-Fi connection, because the download requires network access. Once done, open Settings to the cellular or mobile data pane and choose Add a new plan to begin. Now you proceed to install the profile. Select Add a mobile plan, then point your camera at the carrier QR. If that fails, choose Manual and enter SMDP Plus and the activation code. The system will contact the carrier and download the ESIM profile. This can take a minute, so avoid closing settings or toggling airplane mode. Once the profile appears, assign it to data, calls, or both, and configure whether it is your default data plan. Make sure to set roaming preferences before finalizing. Finish by confirming the plan is active. Check Signal, Appen, and that mobile data transfers pages or pings quickly. If activation stalls, restart the modem service or reboot the PC, then rescan the QR. Often a simple restart finishes provisioning. If you see an error, copy the precise message and ICSID and contact the carrier. They can reset the SMDP Plus delivery. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other network adapters and VPNs before retrying, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.